Hello, hi everyone. So, new decor, new collection, the old me. So, okay, guys, enough of the jokes. Now, I'm going to start with our Munga Silk collection, which is brand new, as you can see, the first one in my hand. So, it's a capsule collection, 5 से 6 pieces हैं. I'm going to show you all the colors and designs that we have. It's a perfect green. Sorry, I just dropped the decoration. No worries, it's okay. So, this is the color. It's a minimal zari suit set. All the work is in resham thread, मीनाकारी, बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं, सुंदर कलर्स हैं. एंड द बॉर्डर इज देयर नीचे दिया हुआ. एंड प्लेन मूंगा सिल्क बॉटम आएगी इनके साथ. दिस इज द दुपट्टा विद इट. सो दुपट्टा में जरी है, बट इट्स वेरी सबड्यूड, वेरी मिनिमल, वेरी सबड्यूड जरी एंड वेरी मिनिमल. बॉर्डर्स में एंड बूटीज में ही है. वेरी नाइस सूट सेट, perfect for the upcoming winter weddings. वैसे तो मूंगा, as you all know, can be worn throughout the year, but it's a very flowy soft fabric. But winters में थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, I think. And these colors especially, these colors are just perfect. Day wear, evening wear, कभी भी पहनना है. Very nice occasion suits, not very rich, very heavy, not very light. They are just right amount of. You can see the beautiful Meena colors in it. It's a nice midnight blue color, and we were arguing on this one. So my colleagues are saying that it is a indigo. कोई बोल रहा है पर्पल है, कोई बोल रहा है ब्लू है. So that's what I'm just trying to explain you कि सबका अपना अपना concept होता है colors का. So इसको indigo भी बोल सकते हैं actually, और काफी ब्लू के उसमें है, थोड़ा पर्पलिश टोन भी आ रहा है. So this is the piece for you. I'm going to show you the back side too of one of the suits. So this is the back side. Back side पे border नहीं है. Just keep that in mind. Now another fabulous color, cream. As many of you love to wear creams, light pastel colors. So this is for you. And you can see big bold bootas हैं अम्बी के, all in resham work. So this is the close-up look. You can ask for pictures. And the bottoms are plain munga. So guys, we ship internationally. International shipping is free for 50K and above. So many of our US clients are very worried that they have to pay the duty on the parcels that are coming from India. No guys, हम जिस हिसाब से भेज रहे हैं, अभी तक हमारे किसी भी क्लाइंट ने ड्यूटी नहीं पे की है. So it comes to you in such a way. You can check for details. You can chat with us on a WhatsApp and ask for the details, or you can even call us up. So this is the beautiful dupatta. It's a gorgeous color, as you all can see. Very rich, very smart, very nice piece. They are very actually I would like to say contemporary suits, not the traditional design. It is traditional, ambis are traditional, but still given in a very contemporary way. So this is the other. This is a purple, proper purple shade. Usme thoda tha confusion, but this is a proper purple, as you all can see. So this is the dupatta with it. So guys, as I told you, okay, if your purchase is not for 50K or above, then you have to pay the shipping. That's around about 4,000, 4,500, depending upon the parcel weightage and in which country or place you are in. So it's that much, and rest all is taken care by us. You just have to select your piece. We have various modes of payment, and Stripe link है best for the international clients. It's very safe and easy. You just have to take the payment link from us, and the pieces and you can pay by your credit or debit card, whichever is convenient for you, and the payment is done. So it's very easy and smooth. So this is the different concept altogether. इसमें काफी जरी है, उसमें बहुत कम जरी थी, ज़्यादा रेशम का काम था. So this is all Sona Rupa in kadwa in the kurta. The dupatta is in cut work. Okay guys, now so all the colors, all the designs are just perfect for the upcoming wedding season or the festivities. This is a just right red color. You can wear it for any puja, any occasion at your home. कोई पार्टी है, दिवाली पार्टी है, गेट टुगेदर है, इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. और करवा चौथ के लिए भी बोलती मैं आपको, बट इट्स अ बिट टू लेट नाउ. यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट इट रेडी, but still it's never too late. So this is the last piece for this video. Happy shopping guys, have a great day.